Hello, Axie Infinity holders. How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Guys, in this video again, I'm talking about Axie Infinity, guys. That what's going on in Axie Infinity, and guys, is in the future the price of Axie Infinity will pump, or is in the future the price of Axie Infinity will dump? We discuss these all things in this video, so just keep watch this video complete. And if you're new on my channel, or if you don't subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, so kindly subscribe now for update videos every hour you found a new update. That's very helpful for all of you. You know what, why I am uploading a lot of videos daily? Because update is very important for all holders, for all investor of crypto, guys. If you're a crypto investor, so you have to alert, you have to active in the market. That's why I'm uploading a lot of videos. So guys, at this time, guys, if you look the price of Axie Infinity, so 127.14 USDT dollar, that is the currently price of Axie Infinity. Furthermore, if you talk about the Chinese update of Axie Infinity, so as you can see here, the last 1 hour update is going positive 0.8%. last 1 day chain is also negative 6.82%. in last 1 week chain is about positive 1.98%, guys. This changes is going absolutely positive, guys. Wow, congratulations. Only yesterday for some passage of time the change is going negative, guys. But you know what, now they're again in the huge pump, guys. You can see here at this time, guys, just for temporary, and I believe, guys, that is temporary fast. You can see here, as I show you in the start of this video, that the last 60-minute update is positive. So this means that now they are in the pumping mode. That is not a permanent dump, guys. Now the dump time is end, again it's pumping time. So that's why, guys, if it's a pumping time, so you have to hold, guys. If you want profit, so you absolutely you have to hold. So guys, just hold. My prediction is going positive about Axie Infinity, and I believe that the huge pump, huge profit opportunity is coming soon. So just wait for it. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more this kind of update and news videos about crypto. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.